Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as I told my previous tutorials, I will complete the cold water pipe sizing for first floor gents toilet plus pantry plus private bathroom. You can see here, this is the first floor plan. Okay, so in this you can see this is gents toilet, pantry and bathroom. Okay, this is the private bathroom. So you have to extract all the fixtures. So here you can see 4 number WC, one is here, so total 5 WC, and 4 laboratory here, and here is one, so total 5 laboratory, 2 sink, one here shower. Okay, one bathtub. So same I have extracted here, WC5, hose for WC5, laboratory 5, kitchen sink 2, bathtub 1. Okay, so these are the water supply fixture unit for these fixtures. Okay, so WC5, let me show you how it's taken from here. So WC, this is the water closet. Let me move down. Public, private, flush tank 2.2. Okay, same I have written here. Flush tank, private, this is public. I need public flush tank. Here, move down further, move down here. This is public flush tank. So here is the cold water. This column is for the cold water, and you can see the value is 5. Hose for WC is 0.5 here, assuming the nearest value for the similar fixtures. Okay, and laboratory is 5, quantity is 5, and laboratory, the fixture unit is 1.5, taken from the same table. You can see here laboratory, public, faucet 1.5. Okay, so here is 1.5. Kitchen sink is 2.25 and bathtub is 1. Let me show you the bathtub also here. Here is the bathtub private. Okay, 1. Okay, for bathtub is always private, not public, because in the bathtub only one guys can be used at a time. So the water supply fixture unit is 1. Okay, so if you add all these values here, multiply the water supply fixture unit with quantity, you will get here TWSFU, the 25, 5 into 5, 25, 5 into 0.5, 2.5, 5 into 1.5, 7.5, 2 into 2.25, 4.5, 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So if you add all these values, you will get 40.5. So total water supply fixture unit is 40.5. So assuming considering this value, the total demand is 26.3. Okay, so 40.5 GPM. So here is 40.5, 40. Okay, 40.5 is very near to the 40, so assume this 26.3. so 26.3 GPM from IPC 2018 table number 103.3. Velocity is fixed, which is 5 feet per second from ASP volume 2. Considering these 2 points, the pipe size will be 1 and 1/4 inch. 26.35 feet. Let me show you here. 26.3. Move this up here. Okay, and you can see this is very near to this line, so the pipe size will be 1 and 1/4. So this is how from this video we have completed the cold water pipe sizing for the entire project. Now the hot water pipe sizing is pending for this area. So in the next tutorials I have completed the hot water pipe sizing as well. So please be with me and keep watching my full video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye.